Well, as you can see, the snow is really pounding out there. It's crazy. This is like a big major snowstorm. I'm going to take you to the other side so you can see it more. But really, there's absolutely nothing you can see out there. It's just crazy. That's my window. It's absolutely blocked. I'm gonna try and open up the window and kind of be crazy and see what... Look at that, the way it's blowing. Do you see that? Isn't that crazy? Wow. It's really a snowstorm. I wouldn't want to be out there now unless I really have to. And I really need to get some groceries. So, this is a little sucky. But I think I'll survive. Can you see that? The wind blowing all of that. It's crazy. And that's what it looks like down there. The accumulation is probably like a foot already. Wow. Well, that's it.